Okay, so I'm going to check the firmware version to see if it needs to be upgraded. And if it does, we're going to upgrade the firmware on the VIOFO Dashcam. This is an A129 Pro Duo Dashcam. I believe all their Dashcams use this same procedure. It's about as easy as it gets. And so we're going to get started. The first thing we got to do is get into setup mode. Now the easiest way to do this is while it's still attached to the car, just go into the setup like I'm about to do here and look and see what your firmware version is. The reason I say that's the easiest is because if you plug this directly into the computer right now, it automatically goes into USB mode. In fact, let me demonstrate this. So this cord here goes straight into the computer. So I'm going to plug it in. Let the camera come on. And right about the time you think you can do something with it, it goes into card reader mode. So now, right now, I'm able to pull the files off of the camera if I want to and download them into the computer. But I don't want to do that. So I'm going to unplug here. I've just got this charge pack. So this is just a USB charge pack. We're going to plug it in here. Now we're going to let the camera come on. And it's going to be just like it's plugged into the vehicle. Camera come on, and now it's going to start recording. So the first thing you got to do is you got to turn off the recording mode. Once that's off, that light you notice is flashing fast. You hear the beeping letting you know you are not recording. Then we're going to enter the setup mode by just pushing this first button right here. Now, to check the firmware, it's on the very last page. You can either hit this button here, which basically goes to the very last item, which is firmware version, or you can hit this button here, the down arrow, and scroll through all the settings until you get to the very bottom. So now we're going to hit OK, which is this button. And you can see this is the A129 Pro. It is version 2.2 firmware. So it does need to be upgraded. I've already pulled up the firmware. That's going to be the next step, is show you where to go to get the firmware and how we're going to get it installed on the camera. Okay, so now we got to get the firmware onto the memory card in the camera. So I'm going to plug the computer in. Come over here. And I'll show you the easiest way that I've found to get to the firmware. And I just type in the actual model number of the camera, and you can see I've already typed it in there. Okay, that's that was the camera popping up there. There's the videos that's already on the camera. And this should take you straight to VIOFO's website. And this is the firmware right here. This is for the A129 Pro Duo Dashcam. And if you don't get to it through Google, just go to their website and go to support, and you can navigate and do a search for whatever the model number is. So I'm going to click the firmware. And I've already downloaded the firmware, but just to show you, what you got to do. And we will put it over here in the folder. You can see the firmware right here. I'll just go ahead and override it. Now that the firmware is on there, all you got to do is drag and drop it. Oh, wrong folder. Drag and drop this bin file over onto the camera, which is this one right here, USB drive E. It'll be different on your computer probably, depending on how many drives you've got. But I'm just going to take this file, I'm going to drag it right over on top of E. You want it in the root directory, which you can see is I've got it right here in the root directory of the SD card on the camera itself. Okay, so here's the camera. I'm going to unplug it from the computer. And we are going to plug it back into the charge pack. We're going to let the camera boot up. You'll see the light will blink as it's reading the bin file. So it's upgrading the firmware right now. Whenever you see the mic LED come on, so you'll see both these come on, the camera will reboot, and then we will check and see what the firmware is on the camera. Now remember, when it boots up, it goes straight into record mode. So you got to kill it by the second button, the record button. And then you hit the first button, which is the settings button. Now, you can scroll all the way through. To get to the firmware. And you can see we've got it 2.4 now. Now, you can also get to the firmware when you go into settings. If you hit this record button, which is the up arrow, it takes you to the last thing on the list, which is the firmware version. So you can get to it that way too. So, and that's all there is to it, to upgrade the firmware on the VIOFO dash cams. Now this is the A129 Pro Duo, but all their dash cams upgrade, I believe, the same exact way. And one other thing that you may want to know, of course we already know it went to 2.4, but with a successful update, I'm going to go ahead and unplug the camera, plug it back into the computer. And we're going to wait for it to pop up, and I'll show you on the memory card what it does. It actually deletes the bin file. So if you check the computer again, you'll see that the bin file's gone. And it does leave all your videos on here. You don't have to format the card like the website says. You can do it as long as the card is formatted to FAT32. You'll still be able to do it. You can still leave all your previous recordings on there. But you can see the bin file's gone. It automatically deletes the bin file once it's accomplished a successful firmware upgrade. Anyway, that's about all I got. Just wanted to go through that, how easy it is to keep the firmware upgraded. You guys take care.